Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of the hottest topics in clean energy, hydrogen production. Yeah, that's right, the same stuff that fuels rockets and could one day power your car, your home, maybe even your entire city. But here's the thing, producing hydrogen efficiently has always been a bit of a science headache. Until now. Let's start with the basics. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, but on Earth, it's almost always locked up with other atoms, like in water, H2O. So to get pure hydrogen, you need to break those bonds. Traditionally, this meant using lots of electricity to split water in a process called electrolysis. It works, but it's expensive, and not super eco-friendly if you're using dirty electricity. But here's where things get exciting. Scientists around the world have been experimenting with new ways to make hydrogen production cleaner, cheaper, and way more efficient. One of the coolest breakthroughs? Using sunlight and special materials to split water directly, a process called photoelectrochemical water splitting. Imagine solar panels, but instead of making electricity, they make hydrogen fuel. That's wild. Another game changer is using bacteria. No joke, certain microbes can actually eat organic waste and burp out hydrogen. So not only do you get clean fuel, but you're also recycling waste. Double win. And check this out. Researchers have also developed new catalysts, think of them as chemical cheerleaders, that make electrolysis way more efficient. Some of these are made from common, cheap materials like nickel and iron, instead of pricey platinum. That drops the cost and brings us closer to hydrogen at the gas pump. The best part? All these breakthroughs mean we're inching closer to a future where hydrogen isn't just a buzzword. It could be the backbone of a truly clean energy system. Imagine planes, trucks, and factories all running on fuel that only produces water as exhaust. That's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now in labs and pilot projects all over the globe. So, next time you hear about hydrogen, remember, it's not just rocket fuel. It could be the key to a cleaner, greener planet. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.